Good morning students, welcome to your English class and welcome back to school and welcome back to your online class. So children, our school has started, so we have to work hard now. We have to come to school also and we have to attend the online class or the video. We have to watch the video so that we improve ourselves. So this is your English video. So children, we are practicing writing in the class, okay? We will practice reading today. In this video, we will practice reading. Now this is your English book, my new canvas. Today we will read lesson number 1, The Whispering Palms, okay? This story is about a little girl who used to go with her parents to the beach. And then she saw many natural things, many beautiful things in nature, okay? And she saw a dream also. After that she started saving the things in nature. So we will read the lesson, learn the new words and the meanings, and we will practice reading, okay? So take out your English books. Okay children, lesson number 1, the whispering palms. So first we will learn the new words with the meanings. So ashore means to the shore. Kinara, okay, it means kinara. On the shore, ashore. Uneasy, troubled, parishani, okay. So Hindi meanings is just for you to understand the meaning, okay, but you have to learn the English meanings. Don't learn the Hindi meanings, just understand. Bring Mori up, take care of Mori. Dhyan rakhna, okay. Bring Mori up, take care of Mori. Thrilled, excited. Utsuk, grove, a small group of trees. जहाँ बहुत सारे trees लगे रहते हैं, that is a grove. Balanced, held steadily on her side. Balanced, held steadily on her head. Balance means जब सर पे रख लेते हैं ना कोई टोकरी या सामान, उसको बैलेंस करते हैं, okay? That is held steadily on her head. Laundry, clothes that need to be washed. So the clothes that we need to wash is a laundry. Rescue, save, bachana. Deep into the night, late into the night. Late night means deep into the night. Puzzled, confused. जब कुछ समझ में नहीं आता हम confused होते हैं, that is puzzled. Cautioned, warned, चेतावनी. Carving, making designs or shapes. So carving is making designs or shapes on something, okay? So now we will read the lesson, page number 4. Lesson number 1, The Whispering Palms. Mori was a little girl with big brown eyes. She lived with her parents in a beautiful coconut grove next to a small blue lake. So we have learned the meaning of grove, that where number of trees grow, it is a grove. So you have to learn the meanings also and practice, learn the spelling also and practice reading. I will repeat again. Mori was a little girl with big brown eyes. She lived with her parents in a beautiful coconut grove next to a small blue lake. Every morning she balanced a big empty basket on her head as she walked down to the lake. Her mother followed with the laundry and her father brought the big fishing net. So you have to practice reading with me. Listen to the video, listen to me in the video and practice reading and pronounce the words properly as I am pronouncing and reading. So Mori was a little girl with big brown eyes and she lived with her parents in a beautiful coconut grove next to a small blue lake. She lived near the grove next to a small blue lake. And every morning she used to balance. You can see she is balancing the basket on her head. Every morning she balanced a big empty basket on her head as she walked down to the lake. She went to the lake every morning with the big basket balancing on her head. Her mother followed with the laundry, and her mother took the laundry, dirty clothes to wash at the lake, and father bought a big fishing net to catch fish. Her mother washed the clothes on a stone next to the lake while her father went fishing. So her mother washed the clothes on the stone next to the lake, and her father went for fishing in the lake. He dragged the net ashore, and they collected the fish in a big basket. And when he came back from fishing, she used to collect the fish from the net into the basket and collect the fish in the basket. Sometimes a turtle would get stuck in the net, but Mori always hurried to the rescue. Sometimes a turtle also used to stuck in the net, but Mori always rescued the turtle. Means it took the turtle back to the water, back to the lake. She did not kept it or sell it in the market. So her father used to catch fish to sell in the market, and it was their earning, it was their source of income. Okay, so ashore means to the shore, rescue means to save, bachana. Yes, so practice reading this and learn the difficult words with the meanings. Okay, practice this with me. Okay, watch the video and listen carefully and watch the video. One sunny morning, while fishing with her father, Mori said, "If we catch so many fish, one day there won't be any left." Her mother laughed and sent her off to school. In the shade of the trees, Mori's mother fell into an uneasy sleep. She dreamt of a lake with no fish, while the wind in the palm leaves whispered. Now one day, Mori said that if we will catch so many fish, if we will catch so many fish every day, the fish in the lake will be finished. So her mother laughed and sent her off to school. Her mother could not understand what she was trying to say, and Mori was not able to explain to her mother, and mother sent her to school. Then after some time, in the shade of the trees, Mori's mother fell asleep. She went to sleep, and she dreamt of a lake with no fish. और उन्होंने अपने ड्रीम में क्या देखा? that the lake had no fish and the wind in the palm leaves whispered. और जो palm leaves थे, this is a palm tree. Yes, so coconut tree, and there are some palm trees which does not bear any coconut. Okay, so palm leaves whispered. Whispered means talked slowly, very slowly. The waters and the earth have always taken care of your family, but you have to take care of them in return. So the leaves whispered that the waters and the earth have always taken care of your family, and now it is a time to time that you take care of the things in nature, water, earth, and other things in nature. So children, read this much, then we'll meet in the next class. Okay, and we will practice reading also. Okay, so first you practice reading. Okay, then we'll practice writing also. You have to improve your reading and writing both. Okay. Okay children, do this much, then we'll meet in the next class, and try to come to school regularly and watch the video regularly. In this way you will improve yourself. Okay, you will improve yourself in studies. Okay children, have a nice day.